Talking about the IT sector, over 3% kind of gains that have really stepped in from Infosys earnings this time around. Even in the last week when HCL Tech and TCS came out with the earnings better than estimates, things had started to improve as a sentiment for the whole sector. But the way Infosys has improved its guidance, that has really pulled up the entire sector higher. Look at Infosys shares today, over a 5% of an uptick can actually be seen, and across the board we are seeing the same sentiments. So let's try and understand on the IT sector as a whole, and then we will come to specifics, earnings that have come in. Do you think finally the underperformance of the past is now buried deep there, and is IT sector getting ready to roll its sleeves higher?
I think yes, the worst is behind us in the price already. I think the way how TCS has delivered their numbers with respect to all the deal wins, what they have done with respect to margins they have maintained, plus HCL Tech again better than TCS. But again, Infosys really surprised the market yesterday by giving very good numbers in terms of margin improvement. But the major focus was on the guidance, which were on the higher levels, plus the deal value which they have done in the last quarter, plus again the new hirings which they are doing it. So all these numbers are giving some kind of very comfort level for an industry per se, saying that the worst is behind the markets, and the way how global markets are performing. Even the Fed chairman, which is going to have a meeting very soon. So there is an interest rate scenario which is happening in the market. So indirectly, IT as a sector is getting a lot of boost globally as well as in the domestic markets.
Okay, got that. Let's talk about Infosys and the earnings. Of course, post these kind of earnings that have come in, what's your strategy on Infosys vis-a-vis HCL Tech, vis-a-vis TCS? How would you be really approaching all of them now?
I think considering these three mid-cap IT stocks looks very good for me, but Infosys obviously with respect to price action, I think the stock is entering into overbought zone. I think the upside is very limited from the current level. 1700, 1720 can be a trading target for any trader who has invested in Infosys. But again, major focus should move towards Coforge or Tech Mahindra or such stocks.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.